Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. We picked these up in the last video. We love our totes, but I don't know how I want to set them up in the backyard. Let's do some research. Most of the videos use cinder blocks, either 2 layers, but I think we're gonna go with 1 layer, and the top, some have pretty fancy connections, but we're going low tech and just using some mesh and maybe hardware cloth. Let's go pick those up. We are back from Home Depot. That was a lot of work. They're surprisingly heavy. I kind of got a good workout in. Good thing I have a dolly. Going to move them to the backyard. Good morning. The sun was getting pretty low last night, so I decided to stop filming and took a break. Today we are going to continue with the IBC totes. All of the cinder blocks are here. I'm going to clean up this area a little bit and decide on what orientation I want to go with. I took some rough measurements and this is the setup we are going with. It is definitely slanted towards the house. So hopefully this IBC tote will keep water from pooling here. I will be bringing it from over there because that gate is much bigger. Let's go get it. That was a pretty good workout rolling it in from the garage. The cinder blocks I could always move around a little bit later. I'm trying to decide what to do with the downspout, and I think I'm going to remove both elbow joints and have it drop directly on top. Let's get that done. I think that looks pretty good. When I initially installed this, I put a lot of silicone in here and it was a little hard to pry off, but not too bad with a chisel. For this one, I only used 2 fasteners on each side. Let's head in the garage and see what we can do about the cap. This is what I ended up doing. I love my router over there. We went with silicone and mosquito netting on the cap because I still want to take this on and off so I could do transfer pumps into the IBC Tote. Video number 117 done.